Yeah, so what we've done is that we've broken it into 3 different tiers so you can create a diet that works for you, right? So it's tier 1 is a gradual shift. It's 1 plant-based meal a day. It's really, really simple. Try 1 plant-based meal a day for 11 days and see how you feel. You're going to lose some weight, as Dame did. You're going to feel more energy. You're going to sleep better. You're going to have better bowel movement. You're going to go to the bathroom a lot better, and we know that's a big problem today.
Right.
And we're going to reduce our risk for many of the diseases that we're suffering from today. Tier 2 is super simple. Eat 2 plant-based meals a day for 11 days. Now you're leaning a little bit more towards plants. So remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. The more we lean towards plants, the better we're going to feel. The more health we're going to have, the more weight we're going to lose.
So you could be a person that stays at 1 or 2.
Absolutely.
Period. You
Absolutely.
don't have to go the whole way. But try it. So
exactly.
that's the advice. Try it and try a 100% plant-based lifestyle. Dame meat in 5 whole days. If Dame can roll for 5 days with no meat, like anybody on the planet can do this.
You know,
so let's go through your food swaps here. These are quick and easy food swaps right down the line for us here.
Yeah, absolutely. So here's some really easy fixes, right? So we can replace butter, which is full of cholesterol, with sliced avocado. We can make avocado spread.
In New York, you'll pay $8 for an avocado toast.
It's so,
you can
by
make
the way,
it home a lot cheaper.
A lot cheaper at home. So you can spread it on bread. You can use it on anything that you would typically use butter on. If you're baking, swap out for coconut oil. You can swap out butter for coconut oil. If you're looking to top a dessert,
plant-based fat.
A plant-based fat with 0 cholesterol, right? Which is a big deal. We're taking medication to lower our cholesterol, but yet we're ingesting it by the truckful.
Stop eating it.
Here's an easy way to fix it. Stop eating it, right? So here's 0 cholesterol. And then if you want to you want to give me a hand over here?
What you need from me?
Maybe we can whip this up a little bit. So we can do whipped cream, right? Instead of having the full fat whipped cream that's loaded with cholesterol.
Do you need water for this, or it just whips
No, we're just going to whip this right up. Exactly. And we get that from a can of basically coconut milk.
Oh, yeah.
TV
That's how we whipping it up today. Yeah. Cut that in.
So the beauty of this, this is one ingredient. This is coconut milk. You just open up a can of coconut milk, leave it in the fridge overnight, open it up, and then drain out the water, and here you go. You've got some nice whipped cream made at home, one ingredient. Tea with your strawberries, right? So here we've got a few more replacements, and this is great. A lot of times, you know, one of the things that made me the happiest, I've got to be really honest with you, is that when I opened up his cupboard, he had orange liquids, purple liquids in his cupboard. By the way, I saw water nowhere in the house. I think if I would have opened up the faucet, I truly believe if I would have opened up the faucet, purple fluid would have come out, right? So I said to him, one of the easiest fixes is you're drinking your calories. Quit drinking your calories. The beauty is that I asked him this morning again, so what was the one big takeaway? And it was that you replaced your soda.
I did. I replaced the soda. I had the water in it now. I did.
A lot of empty calories.
Right? But you don't just have to drink your water, you can also eat your water, right? So here we have fruits. Here we have strawberries, cantaloupe, eggplant are 90 to 99% water. So you can actually eat your water with your foods. Avocado, even baked potato. Baked potato has 70% water.